many people doing this very simple problem while they are washing their cars, while they are washing their bikes or their scooters. And in the long run, if you do this, it will damage your paint, and in the long run, the paint quality will drop. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to properly wash your car, bike or scooter to take care of its paint. Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are absolutely fine. So let's go. Okay, so you should take 3 buckets, one for wash, one for soap and one for rinse. Let's go. So I'll just quickly share what I wanted to tell you guys, because recording plus washing the car is a little bit difficult. So when you take soap water in a cloth and you wash a dirty patch. Now this patch was dirty, so you washed it, okay? Now after washing this, okay, so this is now washed and this is dirty. So after washing this, so what most people will do, they will put this cloth in this bucket, take soap water and wash it again. But because of that, what will happen is those dirt particles will act like a scrubber onto your paint. What will happen is those dirt particles will act like a scrubber onto your paint. So when you wash one area of the car with a cloth and soapy water, you have to remove the dirt. You have to remove the dirt which is in this cloth, because otherwise that dirt will act like a scrubber and it will scrub off your paint slowly. So what you should do is, you should take that cloth. This was the rinse bucket. You should rinse it, remove the extra water. Then you should take soapy water again, and then you should clean your car. Now the same rule applies to cars, bikes, motorcycles, everything. Whenever you wash it, you rinse it and then you wash it. After washing, it will be better if you just wipe the excess water off the surfaces with this is a very popular cloth. I'm sure you know it. This cloth is just perfect to wash the extra water. Just completed wiping the excess water. Wiping the excess water off the surface. The wash is done, but I mean, look at this space. How much space I have in the garage to wash the car. This is the space which I am standing and washing the car at. I'm telling you, once Smokey's garage is built, it will be on a whole another level. These are just future plans. Let's see what happens now. Just give me some time to do it. Okay, so I am back home. I should probably go freshen up a little, because it's Goa, it's hot over here and it's humid and you sweat a lot. The electric dirt bike build is going on. It's progressing slowly. Whenever I get time to work on the electric dirt bike build, I work on it. Otherwise, online classes, this, that, assignments, everything, it's a very busy schedule. Anyways, if this video provided value to you, if you guys learned something new from this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for supporting Smokey's Garage till now. Keep supporting us in the future. Your support means a lot to us. Trust me, it means a hell lot to us. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to Smokey's Garage.